This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Good morning, my special friends. I'm happy to see you today. God has blessed us with another day. Let's make the most of it, all right? Let's sing good morning to God. Good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me your way. Good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me your way. I'm glad you are joining me again today for our good morning devotions. Time spent with God is always the best way to start the day. This morning, we're going to read. We're going to hear a story about prayer. And our Bible verse today is from the book of 1 Samuel, and it's about the story of Hannah. Hannah loved God. Hannah wanted a baby so badly, and she didn't have any children. And our Bible verse says this: Hannah prayed silently to the Lord for a long time. Did you know that we could pray silently? You don't have to use words. Did you know that? We're going to find out about that in our story today. Our story is called Praying Without Talking. What is wrong, Grandpa? Asked Don and John. I think I'm losing my mind, said Grandpa. I can't remember where I left my fishing pole. I thought you boys might want to go fishing today. Guess what we want to do, Grandpa, said Don. We'll go fishing like I said Grandpa. Not today, said John. You want to play with Lopez and Theo? Not today, said John. Well, how can I know what you want to do? Asked Grandpa. I can't read your minds. Only God can read thoughts. The twins looked at each other. You mean God knows what our brains are thinking? They asked. Of course, said Grandpa. That is why we sometimes pray without even talking out loud. We can pray in our minds, and God hears us. Now, what do you boys want to do today? Go swimming, said Don. And by the way, you left your fishing pole on top of the refrigerator. Good heavens, said Grandpa. Do you ever pray without talking? Who can read our minds? God can. God knows what we're thinking in our heads. God knows what we're feeling in our hearts. We don't even have to say a word. God knows all about us. It's good to know that we don't have to say a word. Whatever we're feeling, whatever we're thinking, God knows, and we can send up prayers just by thinking them. Our God is so amazing and so wonderful, and I'm glad that He brought you here today, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's pray, okay? Let's fold our hands and bow our heads. We will pray out loud this time. Dear God, thank you for this day that you have given us. Thank you for knowing everything about me. Thank you for knowing my thoughts and my feelings. Please help me to know that I can pray to you with my words and with my thoughts. You will always hear me. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, God made you with His own hands, and He loves you very, very much.